Do you think you need a gym to start building your body? No. If you are a beginner, you can start at home. In this video, I will show you a 7-day beginner workout plan, 5 training days, and 2 recovery days. But let me say one important thing first. You will not completely change your body in 7 days. This is about starting strong, building better habits, and becoming stronger step by step. If you are a beginner, do not push yourself too hard. If a movement feels difficult, do fewer reps. If it feels easy, slowly do more. The goal is progress, not pain. Day 1, upper body and core. First, push-ups. Push-ups help your chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also work your core because your body stays stable during the movement. If you are a beginner, start with 5 to 8 push-ups. If it feels too hard, place your knees on the floor. If it feels easy, do 10 to 15. Next, plank. Plank helps your stomach muscles, lower back, and core strength. A strong core helps your whole body feel stronger and more balanced. Beginners can start with 15 to 20 seconds. If you feel stronger, try 30 seconds. Now, chair dips. Chair dips mainly help your triceps and also work your shoulders and chest. Start with 5 to 10 reps. Finally, crunches. Crunches help the front part of your abs. Start with 10 to 20 reps. Day 2, legs and endurance. First, squats. Squats are great for your legs, thighs, glutes, and lower body strength. Beginners can start with 10 squats. If it feels easy, try 15 to 20. Next, lunges. Lunges help your thighs, glutes, balance, and leg strength. Do around 8 to 12 reps for each leg. Then, wall sit or squat hold. This movement helps build leg endurance. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds. If after a few days the workout feels easier, only add 3 to 5 more reps slowly. No need to rush. Day 3, recovery day. Some people think resting means doing nothing, but recovery is important. Muscles grow when they recover. Walk a little, stretch your body, drink water, and sleep well. Day 4, full body workout. Today we train the whole body. Push-ups for chest, shoulders, and triceps. Squats for legs and glutes. Mountain climbers for abs, legs, and cardio. Plank for core and lower back strength. If you are a beginner, doing half is okay. For example, 5 push-ups, 10 squats, and 15 seconds of plank. When you feel stronger, slowly add more reps or 1 extra round. Day 5, core and body shape. Crunches for the front abs, leg raises for the lower abs, plank for full core strength, Russian twists for the sides of your stomach and waist. If you are a beginner, start with 10 reps. Do not worry about being perfect, just keep going. Day 6, recovery again. Give your body time to rest. Stretch a little, walk a little, drink water, and sleep well. If your muscles feel sore, that is normal. Day 7, final challenge. Now test yourself. Try push-ups, squats, plank, lunges, and crunches again. Maybe you are not perfect yet, but you are stronger than day 1. And before we finish, one important thing: food. Exercise alone is not enough. Try to eat better. Foods like eggs, chicken, beans, yogurt, meat, and other protein foods help your muscles grow. Drink enough water, eat more vegetables, and try to reduce junk food and soda. And one final tip: in the next weeks, you can increase or decrease your exercises depending on your energy, strength, and how your body feels. If you feel stronger, slowly add more reps or time. If you feel tired or weak, do less and recover. Fitness is not about rushing. It is about staying consistent. If this helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe. Your support gives me to do videos like this.